In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organizational chart in Lucidchart. This process will help you effectively visualize your company's structure, which is invaluable for both small teams and larger organizations. We're going to walk through this step by step to ensure you feel confident in building your chart from scratch. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lucid site by typing lucid.co into the search bar. Lucidchart is a fantastic tool for designing sleek, professional-looking diagrams, and it's widely used due to its intuitive user interface. Once you're on the site, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and sign in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account, don't worry. Lucidchart makes it incredibly easy to create one. Simply opt to sign up using your Google account by clicking on Sign Up with Google. It's quick and saves you the hassle of setting up yet another new password. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here you'll notice a button labeled New. Give that a click to get started with your new document. You'll be presented with a couple of options, but what we want is to create from template. This is where the magic happens. Templates are a fantastic way to fast-track your process and ensure a consistent, polished result without starting from scratch. After clicking Create from Template, you'll be prompted to search for the specific type of template you need. Type in Organizational Charts into the search bar. Lucidchart will offer a variety of templates tailored for organizational charts. Now take a moment to browse the different styles available. Depending on your company's needs and aesthetic preferences, select the template that resonates with you and click on it to proceed. With a click on Use, Lucidchart will load your chosen template. Here's the exciting part. Once the template opens up, you're ready to customize it to fit your company's hierarchy and essential details. Click and interact with the elements already on the chart. You can edit names, positions, and even add or remove roles as necessary. Don't be afraid to explore options like changing colors or layouts to better suit the company's branding or visual guidelines. And there you have it. Your organizational chart is ready to go. Tweak it, print it, or share it digitally with your team to ensure everyone's on the same page. Lucidchart provides a flexible platform, so feel free to revisit and update your chart as your organization evolves. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for joining me today.